Good morning, guys. My name is Johnny. I'm studying English degree at the National University. The activity that I'm going to develop today is for the subject English Phonetics 2. And and one of the activities is that I'm going to show you how to make the M, N, and NG consonant sound. This sound is one of the most important in the American English because this is the bilabial consonant sound. I'm going to show you the different ways how you will need to place your mouth to make these sounds properly. So let's get started. Well, the first sound, it will be the M consonant sound. And one of the information that I have it is that the M sound is called the bilabial nasal, and it means which means that the lips, we're gonna use the lips and the air comes through out of our nose, and it is a voice sound. This is a voice sound. We're gonna feel a little vibration on our vocal cords, and also we are going to feel vibration on our nasal, on our nose, right? And one of the steps we will need to do to make this sound, because it's simply made by pressing our lips together slightly, right? As you can see in the picture, and then we will need to try to make the M sound. The air is going to come through the nose. We can try it now. If you can see, my lips are slightly pressed, right? And I say, you can do it as well. Try it. Okay, yeah, perfect. And now we have the different examples to practice. We have the make, many, made, more, male, monitor, imagination, smaller, time. Yeah, very well. And now that you practice the M sound, you are going to be more confident to say the M consonant sound properly. That's the correct way how you need to pronounce this sound. Perfect. Remember, make up till you make it. And now we have the second consonant sound. This is the N consonant sound. And the tongue raising and touching the roof of the mouth. It is a voice sound, which means, right, this is going to be a different way how you will need to place your tongue. And we will need to place the front of your tongue on your mouth roof, exactly how you can see in the picture. It will be like behind the teeth. It will be like this, right? Exactly how you can see in the picture. And yeah, try to do it. And then once you have this position on your mouth, you can try to say and remember that if you are doing it correctly, you are going to feel a little vibration on your nose, and also on your vocal cord. You can put your fingers on your vocal cord and you are going to feel a vibration. And yeah, there you go. And now, in order to practice this sound, we have different verbs and subject. And the first one, it is never. nothing, nothing, nobody, nobody, no, no, guns, guns, avenue, avenue, then, downtown, downtown. Yeah, there you go. Amazing. Yeah, if remember, if you are new, if you are not doing it exactly, you can keep practicing. You can see the video again, and then you will be able to say this consonant sound and consonant sound perfectly. That's the way, the way that you can learn, right, in order to do it correctly. And then we have the last one, that is the ng consonant sound. Well, in the ng consonant sound, we have the velar nasal, and the reason, which means like you will need to curve your tongue up against the back of your mouth. It is a voice sound. So in this case, we will need to curve the tongue, right? We'll need to curve the tongue, right, against our mouth. In the picture, you can see as well how you will need to, like, in this case, place your tongue. It's gonna be a different way. Different way, right? You can see as well here that the tongue is touching the roof as well a little bit, but it will be on the back. You will need to press, right, against the back, right? And then this is the place, this is the vocal cord where you are going to feel a vibration, because this is as well, it is a voiced sound. It means that you are going to feel a vibration as well here. So you will need to place your tongue of this way, in order pressing against the roof, right? Almost until the end. And the lips are gonna be slightly open, and also the teeth, right? And then we're gonna say and try to put your tongue in this position with your mouth and try to say the sound. Then we have examples. The first example is bring, young, long, morning, building, feeling, interesting, and finger, stronger. This has been my activity today, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.